Hi everyone, good morning. Hare Krishna to all of you. And you can see this time it's sunny day today. It's morning time, okay? And in the morning time, what I did, I woke up. After waking up, I have come to the terrace, and right now I was getting freshen up, and I got freshen up, and then I thought of making video, and I wanted to say something. So just for my life updates, you can think like this way and we can start this video. This topic is about my life update, or I was not making videos properly, so today I thought of creating one video. So let's get started. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Sweta English Lifestyle. I hope you are all doing great, everyone, and my subscribers, let me know in the comment section how are you practicing your English. I am practicing my English. What can I say for that? Earlier I was practicing a lot, but nowadays I'm quite unable because of food, and I am also not creating videos that much, so I feel that I'm not practicing much properly speaking English. Today I'm doing, after 2 weeks, like you can say, after a long time, now I'm speaking in front of camera properly for YouTube, I believe. Okay, it is like a vlog, you can see. I'm creating this video. It is kind of self-talk and even a blog. So I wanted to show you behind me the scene, that is tea garden. Something is different now. Something is changed now. Can you comment, or do you have idea what is changed right now? Earlier I have shown you hara vara patta, and right now what I was doing, I wanted to tell you, that is I was brushing my teeth and I was enjoying this morning because it's sunny day. So right now that's why I'm feeling quite energetic. Few days back I was not making videos because I was not getting that much energy. I think today is sunny day, so I can enjoy and I can feel energy also. My health was not good that time, so right now I'm feeling better. So let's start our day with this. So this is the scenario of the tea garden. Right now you can see, okay? You can let me know in the comment section why it is not looking greenery. You can easily tell me. Please let me know in the comment section. Then I will tell you. You can see I came for the getting freshen up on the roof. And here it's a water supply comes. You can see, and you can wash yourself, you can clean yourself in this water, right? So now I'm going. Few things I can show you. This is what a view. Okay, this is view. This is the scenario of my locality, and you can hear the sound of train whistle. And you can see this is something that is funny. I collected some cartoon and plywood because to burn this, but I didn't burn. And here I worship. So many plants are there. So this is what I wanted to show you for today. Let's see what else I can do. So today this much I wanted to show you. Right now I have to go down and I have to eat. I have to do my domestic chores. After completing my domestic chores, I will meet with you and we'll have another clip for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. You can see I will have apple in this morning. My sister is cooking today, so I'm free. Today I'm not cooking and I'm quite free in this morning. So now I will cut vegetables, and what I will do, I will clean bed. And okay, I will take a bath and we will go out today. This is our plan. Now I will have apple. Now I will cut potato. My cutting style you can see, just simply by my hands I just cut. I don't use any chopping board. Okay, what about you guys? Let me know in the comment section. Do you use chopping board or you just cut simply by your hands? So my sister will cook curry today, so I am just cutting this. Morning breakfast with rice. Tasty. I'm saying to my sister, thank you so much, and thank you to everyone. I'm grateful for the food. Monkeys, you can see guys, मुझे खाना खाने नहीं दे रहे हैं. Properly I'm not able to eat my breakfast. You can see I ate. Have you ever seen so many monkeys? If you haven't seen, so you can see today from my blog. क्या कर रहे हैं? They are, what are they doing? They are eating. किसका? अरे बैंगन को खा रहा है ना. और अंदर का खाता है, छिलका को. ओए बंदर को देख. ए राम, पूरा एकदम वो ले गया ना, कितना 1.5 kg ले गया बोल रहे हैं. क्या बोल रहे हैं? और ये हमारी, शी इज माई सिस्टर एंड शी इज प्रोटेक्टिंग मी. चोरी किया है, चोरी. और सो रहा है. एक जन सो रहा है, इसको देख रहे हैं. ओए जो बैंगन को लेके भाग रहा है, देखो. ओ हो, पूरा चोरी किया है, सब कोई खा रहा है. एवरीबडी इज ईटिंग ब्रिंजल. हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग.